Good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is the differences of fat and SAT? So this is the topic today. And by the way, this information and this query, uh, this is related to our one of the subscribers looking forward that wanted to know what is the fat activities and SAT activities. So we'll start.
What is life to offer me tonight? Grow old. What's not the what's to beyond the biting cold? This is the basic. This is the basic. Yes. Enjoy, 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 and what's sail inside.
So as you can see in the slide, this is the fat activities for the actual activities during our fat acceptance, factory acceptance testing. Okay, so this is our cabinet, and then this is our HMI, and you can see in the right side as well, this is our chemical injection. And another example that this is our H2S detector, and then we connected to our communication and also to our panel itself, and then with the IO card or any communications. And this is our terminal. So another example of our HMI, and then this is connected. We have a wire connected to our panel. We're using a temporary power supply. So this is fat activities. So what is the fat activities? That is factory tested. That's to demonstrate of the performance of the functionality of our equipment. So that is basis on our specification and design and our safety informations that to be carried out during the FAT. So the test certificates will be must be available during the FAT as well. So any materials, any devices that you need to verify as well as part of the bill of materials, and all of the components that's to be checked and test procedures unrecorded, because that will be reference during the SAT activities. So of course you need to prepare the uh, owner's manual, and before that we have the factory acceptance procedures in order to follow all of the requirements as per company specification and standard. All right. So basically, this will be in tested in the supplier or vendor or buyer. All right. So factory acceptance testing that should be conducted at a manufacturer facility before shipping the system to the customer. Ensure that the system meets design specification of the contractual requirements. Focus on functionality, safety, and performance. Typically involves testing individual components and subsystem and overall integrations of the equipment. So may involve simulated load testing and documentation reviewed, and all necessary adjustments should be made. So for my example, we completed our ICSS transformer and other equipments that has been completed during the FAT. Of course, we have a lot of punch lists that's captured, and then let's say the vendors, they're the one who rectify and close the punch list as well. Okay, and next, site acceptance testing. This is SAT. So we'll give you the sample, some photos that during my my experiences based on this. This is the substation and this is the switchgear. This is all our test equipment. So as you can see, this is our CPC 100. This is during the, you can do the testing for high path and micrologic testing. Okay, so the purpose of SAT is to ensure the machine or system has been properly installed, configured, and ready for operation. Okay, not like FAT, as you know already, as I presented. And then just need to check the visual inspection as well, any damages. And for the SAT, of course, identify the environmental condition. So during the FAT, you cannot test this some of the equipments in for the environmental condition. As during the SAT, so it's clearly we can see, we can identify for the temperature and humidity of the equipments. And then we do the testing for electrical and safety and controls. It's a proper wiring, and if there's any overload protections to be checked, CT, VT. All right. So any loop testing to be carried out as well. So that's the activities of our SAT. So you can see here, site acceptance testing take place in the customer site installation, verifies works intended environment, includes conditions, and then validate the installation configurations and readiness for the operation. And then any remaining adjustment and fine tuning that's to be adjusted and to be fixed. And whatever funds list, and then you can repair as well during the SAT, and it's already closed or not, and you can see what is the issue. All right. So in summary, FAT ensures compliance with design specification, and SAT confirms system functionality in the customer environment. Both tests to be contributed in successfully system deployment. So here I give you one of the example. For example, 6.6 kV SAT procedure, that is a ring main unit or switchgear, we can say. And then actually the vendor, they're the one who preparing the procedure, and then that should be commented to our contractor, also from the client side. So whatever comment that's to be revised and then submit for another approval in order to proceed the testing. So this is the sample of SAT procedure. You can see this is the description down that objective up to the HSE task risk assessment. So since we are discussing here based on the example, this ring main unit or switchgear. So this is the testing that need to be carried out during the testing. Okay. So and also tools, what kind of equipment that you need to use, CTBT, etc. All right. So that's all, guys. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next upload video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you.